Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit. Today I am going to teach you some basics of basketball. So let's start. This is basketball. So you have to hold it in this way, and I am teaching you. This is called dribbling. Dribbling, low dribbling. So in low dribbling, what you have to do, you have to bounce the ball in such a way so that it should come back to your hand in the same force, like this. This is called low dribbling. And in it, what you have to do, you have to keep your knees little bent and look straight in this way, like this. This is standing low dribbling, like this way, right. Keep dribbling in this way. Now, in low dribbling, how you have to move? You have to move also in the ground. So in this way, you have to move further, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, like this. And you have to change the direction in this way. But you have to just keep your waist little tilt down this way. Now, back side, like this. Okay. So this was the low dribbling, right? Low dribbling means, standing low dribbling and the walking low dribbling, right? So now I am going to teach you high dribbling. High dribbling, right? So high dribbling comes till your waist level, in which you have to keep standing in the straight position. So this is high dribbling. So two types of dribblings are there: low dribbling and high dribbling. So this is high dribbling till your waist level. So in this way you can dribble, and now in the same you have to move also now, like this. In this way you have to just keep ball in front of your body. This way you have to look front, like this. You have to keep your eye on the opponent so that you can save your ball and keep possession with you throughout the time, like this. This is called high dribbling. High dribbling by moving, and then high dribbling by standing at one place. So it should come till your waist level, like this. You have to apply force in such a way so that it should come back in the same manner that it goes down, like this. So now you have to just cross low dribbling and the high dribbling both from here, like this. With both the hands you do it in this way, like this, right. So this is low dribbling with both the hands, just to take the opponent in this way. And high dribbling also you have to do in this way. From here you have to push it your left side, then right side, in this way, like this, in this way, like this. So students, this was high dribbling. So today I have taught you two dribblings: low dribbling and high dribbling by standing and by moving from one place to another. So I think you people have enjoyed the class. Thank you. Thanks a lot.